So cloud computing means a cloud is usually represented in the network in the form of these shapes. Okay, and this is called as a cloud through which several networks are connected. Means you can just think it's a network to which various systems are connected. Okay, you can think like suppose this is your laptop. You can think this is your mobile. You can think this is your tablet, and this is your desktop. So here in this network, this is called as a network. Okay, cloud computing means networks are there and how you can access to that network. This is actually represented as a cloud. Sorry. And this whole structure, infrastructure, they are called as a network. Means system, they are connected in a network. And what's an advantage of this network? The advantage of this network is that you can send a message, files, okay. You can use resources. You can use resources. What do you mean by resources? Normally what you might have seen in any company and college, we have only one printer, but all the system they can use it, right? So that means what, they are sharing the resources. Printer is only one, but all the system they can access it. Whoever give the printing, the signal will reach to the printer and printer will going to print that. So it means that four devices, they are using one resource. That resource is called as a printer. Printer, you can say scanner, right? So resources, they can share it when the systems are connected in a network. This is our system which are connected in a network. Okay. How many of you know about this cloud computing? Can anyone tell me, like, do you have any idea on this cloud computing? Can you just share your views, like what you know about cloud computing? Anything that you know about cloud computing, or you might have done any intern projects? Have you done this? Like, do you have any idea on this cloud computing? Any one of you? Okay, no issue. We will see. We will learn that. I will going to show you. So this is called as actually a cloud, a virtual cloud. Okay, it's not like actually the cloud is like this. Virtual cloud are there, means you are saving on a network. Your files, your messages, resources, you can share it with this. You can suppose think it like this is one printer. Suppose this is a printer. This printer will going to share by all the devices. Okay, and this means that you are sharing the resources, and when it is possible, when it is connected in a network. Earlier days cyber cafes were there. If you remember, cyber cafe means people are going to the shop, they are using the internet. So there only one printer was there and it is connected to the multiple system. That means it is connected in a network and they are sharing the resource. So cloud computing means how we can compute, means cloud computing means how we can connect to the network and we can access the resources, we can send a message, we can deploy application. Deploy application means we can make application to the public by installing on the cloud, deploying applications, and store data, write coding. Now now the thing is that what's the advantage, or why do we require this cloud computing?